A whiskey peach smash from Dale DeGroff, Mr. King Cocktail himself. He has not gotten enough play on this channel, and so we're doing some more. So first thing we're gonna do is grab our tin and a few mint leaves here. We're gonna do, 4 big mint leaves. Then we're gonna take a lemon, we're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna cut these into 4. So we're gonna add 3 peach slices into our tin, and then we're gonna put these guys, kind of peel side down into the tin as well. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. You wanna make sure to put the mint leaves on the bottom so that they don't get shredded, because then you'll release chlorophyll and all those vegetable flavor profiles into your tin, which you do not want. You wanna make sure to give those lemons a good muddle as well to extract the oil out of the peel. Ingredient, 2 ounces of bourbon. We're gonna add in our ice. Put all the ingredients into the shaker and give it a shake. This is a cocktail we're gonna double strain because it has a lot of stuff in it that we not want into the cocktail. Now we're gonna prepare a mint sprig for garnish, like so. We want to have a big bushy mint sprig because you want to get all those aromatics in your nose. Give it a slappy poo, give it a crushy pants like so, stick it in there, and then we're going to garnish with peach slice. A very refreshing summer drink. There it is, the whiskey peach smash. Let's go to taste. This is so vibrant in flavor. And you got the lemon, and you've probably extracted about an ounce of lemon juice. So you get all that tartness, and what's really nice is because we extracted the oil from the peel, it's got this really vibrant lemony flavor. You also get the peach as well, and it's kind of thicker because a little bit of that peach puree kind of came through. Even though we double strained most of it out, it came through a little bit. And then you have the balance from the sugar as well, and then the whiskey is kind of bringing it all together. It is a very refreshing summer drink. There it is, the whiskey peach smash.